If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to handle customer support and help desk functions, SuiteDash might just be what you need. But before you dive in, let's take a quick look at how SuiteDash can help and how it stacks up compared to other options out there. Stick around because we'll also be covering some powerful alternatives that might just be a better fit for your specific needs. First, SuiteDash offers a comprehensive customer support platform. One of its key features is the client portal, where you can manage tickets, communicate with clients, and track progress all in one place. The ticketing system is pretty intuitive. Your clients can easily submit support requests, and you can assign them to the right team members with just a few clicks. It's simple and organized, which is great for keeping your support process smooth. Next, let's talk about communication. SuiteDash integrates with email and chat functions, which makes responding to customer issues faster. However, the email integration can sometimes feel a bit clunky, especially if you manage a high volume of tickets. You might experience delays in syncing, which could affect response times if you're not on top of it. Still, it does a solid job of centralizing communication within the platform, so it's a good starting point for smaller teams. The third thing SuiteDash does well is automation. You can set up workflows to automatically assign tickets, send follow-up emails, and even trigger notifications for your team and clients. This is great for reducing manual work and ensuring that no ticket slips through the cracks. However, the automation features are limited compared to some other tools. If you need more complex workflows or integrations with other software, you might find SuiteDash a bit restrictive. Now, the fourth thing to consider is the knowledge base. SuiteDash allows you to create a client-facing knowledge base where users can find answers to their questions. It's a great way to cut down on the number of support requests for common issues. But again, while the feature exists, the customization options are somewhat limited, so it's not as flexible as some of the other tools we'll get to in a minute. Another aspect worth mentioning is the reporting and analytics. SuiteDash provides basic reporting for tracking ticket status, response times, and more. However, if you're looking for deeper insights and more customizable reports, this might fall short. For businesses that require detailed data for strategic decision-making, SuiteDash's reporting capabilities can feel a little basic. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. SuiteDash offers a variety of plans that can fit different business sizes, but when compared to some of the competitors in the customer support space, it may feel a bit expensive, especially considering the limitations in customization and integrations. Now, I know you're eager to hear about some of the alternatives that might be better suited for your goals. But before we get into that, let me remind you that SuiteDash does offer a free trial, which you can access through the link in the description. Plus, I've got an exclusive, extended trial for our viewers, so you can explore its features before making a final decision. That said, there are a few alternatives out there that I think might serve your customer support and help desk needs even better. Tools like Freshdesk and Zendesk offer more robust integrations, more advanced automation features, and better reporting capabilities. Both of them also offer free trials, so you can test them out and see which works best for your specific situation. Through the link below, you'll get access to some amazing exclusive offers. So, if you're looking for a more scalable and customizable solution, or if you need more advanced features out of the box, check out these alternatives before you fully commit to SuiteDash. You can get started with their free trials today and take advantage of some extra perks only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on those benefits.